Can you tell the court the specific roles or role that you have been serving?
Having stated as much, and the contemner having availed himself before the court before the lapse of the 7 days, I would be going against my own orders if I deny him audience as urged by the LSK. This is a court of justice and must act fairly at all times towards those that appear before it. Mr. Masengeli is entitled to be heard by virtue of this court order. The Court of Appeal has not taken away the jurisdiction of this court, for it has not issued any order barring this court from hearing Mr. Masengeli. This court is not functus official either, as the sentence was not purely punitive but coercive, laced with purge conditions that the court reserved to consider before the sentence becomes effective.